Hey, this is Alex with Pit Stop Auto, and today Nancy's going to show you how to replace the PAG oil inside of your AC compressor. Inside the compressor, there are metal objects that move in a repetitive motion. This is how the compressor pumps refrigerant throughout your system. While all this is occurring, the PAG oil acts as a lubricant which prevents damage. As you can see, without the oil there would be a lot of metal on metal contact that creates metal shavings. We're going to take the cap off of this port here to start the draining process. It's important to note that some compressors may have a separate oil plug. As you can see, Nancy is rotating the clutch of the compressor to help further along the process of draining the shipping oil that most compressors come with. This oil should be discarded and replaced with double N cap PAG oil. To make sure you put the correct amount of PAG oil in, look into your vehicle's manual and pour the amount listed into a measuring cup. Now we're going to pour the new oil into the ports we drained the shipping oil from, like so.